We are very excited to have you here. I will show few steps to help you create your playNwhere free game. Your free user can access a few tools and some playNwhere cases. You can also change some information, like your avatar. In this demo, I already created my game. In your case, you just need to click over plus icon and follow the some steps I am showing here. There are 2 steps, basically. First, fill in all the fields presented in the general, questions, and final tabs. Second, to finish creating or updating your game content. Click the Create button if you are creating your game for the first time, or Update if you are just updating your game. In the General section, you must inform the title of the game. If you wish, you can also enter a subtitle to complement the title. You can use the field instructions, optional, to give instructions to players. If this field is not filled, the game instructions will be generic, indicating how the game unfolds. In the Questions section, click in each tab corresponding to a question and inform its content. In each question, the required fields are the statement and the correct and wrong alternatives. Although optional, it is suggested that the fields feedback for the correct alternative and feedback for the wrong alternative of each question are filled in. They are important to reinforce the content. The final section appears at the end of the game. Here you can give final feedback to the players. Use the optional final positive feedback field to congratulate the players who have good performance in the game. You can use the final negative feedback field, also optional, to guide the player about their underperformance. Attention, this is very important. For security reasons, playNwhere doesn't accept in your game text, single quotes or double quotes, links, or any bars. The above cases may interfere with the operation of your game, and it may not run correctly. Feel free to insert emoticons to make your content even more playful. If you want to draw attention to some part of your text, just put it between the B and /B, as in the example here. To finish your game content, click the Create button if you are creating your game for the first time, or Update if you are just updating your game. After creating your game, you will be automatically redirected to a link page, where you will have the link and QR code to access your game and, also, your game's ranking. The first one is the link you should share with your playmates, friends, all players. You can access this information anytime, just clicking a link tab. You can always follow your players, real-time, accessing your game's ranking, without login at playNwhere. But if you prefer, you can also do it using the Players tab. Here you can list all players by name, email, company or registration date. If you are looking for a specific player, just fill out the search tool with his name, email or company. You can export all players in CSV format to analyze using a spreadsheet. To access your game, using your link or QR code, the player will have to identify himself, informing his email, name and company, so he can be part of the challenge and position himself at the ranking. We hope you will enjoy the playNwhere experience. If you have any questions, just contact our support team at support@playNwhere.com.